If you're turning 65 or already eligible, applying for Medicare Part A is easier than you think. But here, that's the thing. Missing just one small step can delay your coverage and create a lot of headaches. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for Medicare Part A step by step so you can get it done right the first time. First, let's figure out who actually needs to apply. You might be surprised to learn that many people are automatically enrolled in Medicare Part A, but not everyone is. You need to actively sign up if you are not receiving Social Security or Railroad retirement benefits yet. If you are already getting those benefits when you turn 65, your Part A coverage usually starts automatically and you don't have to do a thing. But if you're still working or haven't claimed your retirement benefits, then this next part is for you. So, when is the right time to apply? The best time is during your initial enrollment period. This is a 7-month window that starts 3 months before the month you turn 65, includes your birthday month, and ends 3 months after. For example, if your birthday is in July, your enrollment period starts in April and ends in October. Applying early, especially in those first 3 months, is the smartest move. It helps you avoid any delays and ensures your hospital insurance is ready to go the moment you need it. Waiting until the last minute can cause gaps in your coverage. So mark your calendar. Now for the main event, how to apply online. This is by far the fastest and easiest way. All you need to do is go to the official Social Security Administration website, which is ssa.gov. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Apply for Medicare and click it. The online application itself is pretty straightforward and takes most people about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. The best part is, if you get interrupted or need to find some information, you can save your progress and come back to it later without losing anything. Before you sit down to start the application, it's a good idea to gather a few things to make the process even smoother. You'll want to have your Social Security number handy. You'll also need proof of your age, like a birth certificate, and some basic information about your work history. The good news is that most people won't need to upload any documents. The system often verifies your information electronically, but having these details nearby will save you from having to get up and search for them while you read in the middle of the application. What if you're not comfortable applying online? No problem. You have other options. You can also apply by calling the Social Security Administration directly on their toll-free number, or if you prefer a face-to-face interaction, you can schedule an appointment to apply in person at your local Social Security office. Keep in mind that phone and in-person applications might take a bit longer to process, but they are perfectly valid ways to get enrolled in Medicare Part A. Just choose the method that works best for you. I want to share a very common mistake that people make. Many people wait too long to apply because they assume that Medicare Part A is automatic for everyone turning 65. As we discussed, this is not true. If you are not actively receiving Social Security benefits, you must apply yourself. Failing to do so can lead to late enrollment penalties and, more importantly, significant gaps in your health coverage. Don't let this happen to you. Be proactive. So, to recap, applying for Medicare Part A is simple. When you know the steps, apply early during your initial enrollment period. Use the online option at ssa.gov if you can for the quickest results, and double check your eligibility to see if you need to apply manually. This will help you avoid delays and get the coverage you've earned. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more simple step-by-step Medicare guidance every week.